Let's focus on creating an effective problem statement. Understanding the problem is crucial. It may seem self-evident, but the preciseness of your problem statement is key. Always strive to use clear, plain language. The aim is to communicate the issues to anyone, no matter their expertise or background. The goal is clarity and brevity. Some things to consider. Context is essential. It enriches your problem statement, making it more relatable, comprehensive. Impact. This is about understanding the implications of the problem. What are the repercussions if the problem remains unresolved? And conversely, what advantages could solving it bring? Relevance helps us grasp the significance of the problem. Why is it crucial to address the problem now? Creating a succinct problem statement isn't an immediate process. Begin with a more detailed version and gradually lower and reduce that version down, refining your words with each iteration to create a final succinct statement. Especially as what we are looking for is a coherent, concise and lucid problem statement, ideally limited to 2 sentences, maximum of 3.